Here we have a brand new unregistered Vauxhall Cascada 2 litre 16 valve CDTI Elite model in Olympic white. This is a special one-off price available to Kerr Smith. The retail price of the car should be £29,215. The car is now reduced to £24,495 and is available for registration on the 1st of September on the 65 plate. The car has the optional upgrade of the 20-inch alloy wheels, which are a factory option of £1,000. Afternoon, my name's Scott Walker, Sales Manager at Kerr Smith Cumnock. I would just like to thank you for taking the time to view our videos of our used stock. If you require any further information whatsoever or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01290 422 440. Thanks again.